Hey y'all, coming with you today with another ravioli recipe that's real simple. I seen it on a Facebook reel, so I decided to make it for y'all. I can't put everything in one pan, so I had to separate it. I don't have a pan deep enough. So you take your frozen ravioli, you do not cook them, throw them in a pan. I did spray a little bit of spray underneath, that way, you know, hopefully it won't stick. Then fix your favorite spaghetti sauce. Ours is ragu. It's always going to be ragu. We love that. I will use a generic every now and then or something a lot cheaper, but we always go back to ragu. That's our favorite. So this ragu, I decided to make a couple of pounds of ground beef, and I fried it with some onion. You can actually add garlic also if you wanted to, or you don't have to do any of that. So you can make this completely without meat. It's up to you. But I added meat to ours, and now I'm spooning all this over the frozen ravioli. Alright. We're going to sprinkle out a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then you're going to get some Parmesan cheese. And then next, cheddar cheese on top. And that's it. 375 for 30 to 45 minutes in your oven, and I'll see you when we're done.